Today's exciting episode: cyclones, boom arms, and dust extractors. Let's get into it. Oh yeah, let's build a Cyclone Separator.
Yay!
Alright, first things first, we gotta take all the crap out of this box.
Oh!
Whoa. And in here we got Settlers of Catan. But we do need this box. And this thing's gonna sit on here. Oh, nice. Hey, that's pretty good. It fits right in between the ribs. Alright, so we just have to cut exactly one of these out, and then we're solid. Alright, what are we going to use to cut this out next? Well, I somehow lost all the footage of Max and I cutting out the hole and screwing in the Cyclone. It was really good stuff too. Max managed to get all 4 washers and bolts on, ready for me to screw it down. Kid's not even 2. I really tore up that first lid though. I tried using a jigsaw to make the cutout. Plastic shattered, just like my dream of making a simple phone call in Swedish without panicking. Thankfully I had a backup storage bin and lid. For my second attempt, I went a bit caveman, slowly gnawed at it with a box cutter. I scored it patiently at least 30 times, and eventually popped it out clean. Sometimes hand tools are the way to go. I need to build a box within the box. How am I going to do this?
Oh yeah, you gotta build a box within a box? What are you, making fun of me?
No, Benny, look. You got it all wrong. I just, sometimes I become Italian. I just can't help it. Shout out to Rockland County, New York. Test number 2. This is Cyclone test number 1. Let's do this. First successful test. Definitely works. Cyclone Separator works. The suction's definitely 20-30% less than what it is normally, but it's working. I see the big piece of wood falling to the bottom and less going in there. $40, Fistal one, $400. $40, $400. Doesn't fit perfectly, but I bet I could make a plate where we'd go in and lock in place. I got so excited building this boom arm that I forgot to hit record. That little detail that separates YouTube from me just cursing at wood alone in my workshop. Anyways, here's the breakdown. I started off with a leftover piece of oak that had been haunting my shop for months. I cut the arm to about 1.5 meters or roughly 5 feet, and the wall support is 1 meter long. Both are 13 centimeters or 5 inches wide. Then I found this massive 50 centimeter, 20 inch gate hinge. For the hose setup, I headed to Biltema, which is like a cheaper Home Depot with less wood and more hardware. Picked up some 7.5 centimeter, 3 inch wide PVC pipe and a few mounting brackets. The hose is a $50 Festool knockoff from Temu, but it was the only one I could find that had fabric exterior like the Festools. Smooth exterior means it can actually slide through the boom pipe. In the end, it works surprisingly well. This is boom arm hair dust extraction test number 1. Let's go. It's what I'm calling a woodworker's shower. Some of you might be wondering why I have two shop vacs. My old vacuum died, and I ordered this online before I realized I could get a replacement. This one here is the Karcher NT22, 22-liter bag. Maybe 15-20% stronger than the Festool. This is less than half the price of this though. But I'm really glad I have 2 because one I can use exclusively with the Cyclone Separator, and the other one can feed the boom arm. If you have any comments or questions about the Cyclone, the boom arm, or the dust extractors, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for sticking around. I'm Lucky Leif. And remember, stay lagom and don't skip your fikas. And happy midsummer, everyone.